have sweet sticky rice with mango or with durian or steam it like that. And also you have a spoon. This is my favorite.
The durian is?
Yes. But I'm not sure about many foreigners doesn't like it. But myself, I love it.
Wow,
But
we're gonna try
the
it.
durian is most expensive, you know, fruit.
Really?
Yeah.
Like 300 baht per kilogram. You have to
Wow.
spend 1,000. That's why you don't get much. You smell it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's something.
Eat alive, bro. You know, it's a fruit. And you know what? If you read about it, durian is a high vitamin compared to any kind of fruit.
I need to
If
know
you want
that.
to go into the whole farm.
Yeah, right.
Take a big time, don't hesitate, right?
It's good.
We've been waiting to be in Thailand.
I know, here we
You're
are.
in
We gotta try
Thailand,
it.
you're traveling adventure, you know? Is it weird to you, the taste?
Yeah, it's yeah.
It tastes like meat,
Yeah?
kind of. Like it's,
This is very bad smell to you? What do you think?
Not as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
Yes, they're my winner! You're so good! I'm so proud of you!
It almost has like a mango flavor to it. Like there's a little bit of like like they're related or something. There's a little bit of that.
Are you giving up or you want to have another last bite?
I'm good.
You're good.
Thank you, that was delicious. Glad we tried it.